Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you want to install some games on a Nokia C12, but you can't seem to find them on a Google Play Store. And to do this, let's open a Google Play Store first, and if we try to find, for example, Call of Duty, there's no game that we're looking for. There's this icon right here, but if we click on it, nothing happens. To fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open a settings, go for family, enter parental controls. Right here, either disable parental controls entirely or enter parental controls apps and games. Insert the PIN code, click on OK, and increase PG to 16. Make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back, and look for the game again, it's right here and you can either play or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.